Here's a short video showing the exhaust welded up, ready to go in the G8. I'm gonna get it underneath there and get the length on this slide joint right here just right, and I'll tack it or mark it and then pull it out and weld that up. But that's the only weld that's not made up right now. This is this whole piece, well, this piece right here and all of this, and then this came in the kit, was all part of the universal X pipe from Pypes. The only modification was in order to get this to fit in the tunnel, it was too wide, so I had to slice a section out on each side, basically in between the radiuses, so that all the straight was out, and brought it in as much as I could, and that just fits right into the tunnel then. So that was I think like $150 versus the same kit that would made for the G8 or the Camaro was, I think, $350. So you know, worth a little bit of time modifying, and not a lot of work to save a lot of money, I think. So I'm kind of cheap like that. But anyway, that's where we are. We'll get it under the car and take some more video.